Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing this hair that I have on my head right now. This hair was sent over to me from iLikeHair, and thank you to iLikeHair for sponsoring today's video. I just can't get over how natural this hair looks on my head. Like, that's crazy. So if y'all are interested in the details of this hair, y'all want to see me unbox it, install it, and let y'all know my final thoughts on this hair, then let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is show you how the hair comes packaged. So it does come in this cute orange bag. So inside you get your rat tail comb, wig cap, and then your little goodie bag that includes your melting band, a baby hair brush, and some wig clips. See, what's special about this wig is the hairline, because it mimics like kinky textured hair. On wigs, sometimes the roots can be silky straight and then the rest of the hair is like a kinky texture and it just doesn't match. But this one is not like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and tuck my hair away so we can pop this wig on. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig. This is how the edges look before I cut the lace off, melt the lace, or anything. I think it looks really good so far, but I'm definitely gonna customize it a little bit so that we can make it look even more natural than it already does. All right, so I am gonna take this band off and see how we're looking. Okay, so this is how it looks right after I've removed the band. Now I do wanna kind of like fix my edges up a little bit. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs just because I want this wig to just look a little bit more natural. Because y'all look at the edges. Y'all see the edges? So it looks more like natural hair. Now what I do want to do is go into my part right here just to make it look a little better. And I'm just gonna take just a little bit of concealer and run it right through right there. See? So after I fix that up, this looks so good. It looks so good. It looks really natural. What do y'all think? Like the edges and everything, even like this right here, this is my actual sideburn and the rest of it is the wig. It literally blends right into my sideburns. My sideburns are pretty curly, so they blend right in. Like, it looks so good. So what do y'all think? I think that this looks really, really good. The wig lays really nice and flat, even though it is kinky straight, and it is like, it has tons of volume and it's very, very full. I got it to lay really, really flat to my head. You can't tell me that this is not my hair right now. I think that's really good. What do y'all think? I like it. I really love the texture of it because you can get it straight. I did run a hot comb through it and a flat iron through it. I threw some curls in it and I got it just a little bit straighter than it actually came, but it's not so straight that it's like silky straight. It still has like the kinky straight look to it, and I do like that. I also really enjoy how thick this hair is. It is very, very full. If you want to split it up into like a half up, half down style, then it wouldn't look skimpy because it's so much hair, but it's not so much that it just looks like really big and bulky. Like, I love this. It's so pretty. And it's so lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel really heavy, like it's a ton of hair. So it comes down to like my waist, but it looks so pretty. And it has a nice natural sheen to it. So it doesn't look too shiny, but it also doesn't look dull and dry. It just looks natural. Like, that's what keeps coming to mind when I'm looking at this hair and describing it to y'all. It just looks very, very natural. And it does hold a curl. I didn't have to spray like any hairspray or anything in it for these curls to hold. I didn't curl my whole head. I just put a couple of layers in the front and threw some curls in it just so it would have like a little bit more zhuzh. But yeah, y'all, this is it. If you guys are interested in checking this hair out for yourself, of course, I will have everything listed down below in the description box. All of the details on this hair, as well as a direct link where you guys can purchase it. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this hair. Do y'all like this? Like, do you think it looks really natural? Would y'all try this hair? I also want to say thank you again to iLikeHair for sending this over. This hair is very, very beautiful. I love, love, love it. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comments. If you have not, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. All right, bye.